This is a 2007 Toyota Camry Hybrid. It features a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a low tire pressure indicator, cruise control, a leather-wrapped shift knob, side impact airbags, a collapsible steering column, a power driver's seat, stereo controls on the steering wheel, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, and aluminum wheels. With an EPA estimated rating of 38 miles per gallon on the highway, this vehicle is clearly a fuel-efficient choice. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
At Sewell, our obsession with service extends to all of our customers, including pre-owned. Buying a pre-owned from Sewell means complimentary loan cars and washes for the life of your vehicle come standard. Sewell, obsessed with service since 1911.